All right, happy Tuesday. So, Tech Tip Tuesday for today is on wireless. What is going on in the wireless world? Forever it's been 2.4. We're now starting to hear more and more of this new frequency called 5.8. On top of that, we have 5.8 wave 1 and wave 2. So there's all this complexity going on. We're here to give you the facts, okay? 2.4 still works great. If you live rural, stay at 2.4. It has better transmission through hard materials like walls, mirrors, rock, stone, tile, those types of things, okay? Works great for that. Absolutely wonderful. It's reliable. All your less expensive devices run on 2.4. It's a great platform to stick with. What we're starting to see though is in either urban areas where we have lots of houses next to each other, we're starting to get a lot of interference. Again, double-edged sword, right? That 2.4 frequency, because it transmits farther through walls, because it can better transmit through these types of interference, it can actually cover a greater area, which means when you're in a high density area like an apartment complex, condos, townhomes, those types of things, we're seeing issues where people do a wireless scan and they'll see 30 or 40 networks. Therefore, their wireless becomes unusable. So in those types of environments, we're starting to see a lot of people move over to 5.8. Move to 5.8 really for two reasons, okay? Two reasons, that's it. First reason to move to 5.8. There's so many wireless networks in your list on your phone or your computer. When you scan them, you can't even see them all. If that's happening, you should move over to 5.8. Okay, you'll get much faster speeds. Okay. Number two reason to move to 5.8 is that you are just screaming on your incoming network feed. Okay, let's say that you're connected and you have a gigabit feed, right? You're getting 500 to 1,000 coming in on your network speed from your provider. Then you want to move to 5.8. 2.4 will not support those speeds. You got to move to 5.8. Okay, those are the two reasons. Bad news. Yes, I'm really sorry. I have bad news if you're going to go to 5.8. The bad news with 5.8, again, is that it doesn't transmit through things near as well. It's much more susceptible to interference because of that higher frequency, right? As our frequency goes up, we can't transmit through things as well. So if you're looking at just using 5.8, recognize that you're probably going to need more wireless antennas in your home or in your property. Okay, we typically recommend if someone is doing 5.8, you're going to need one antenna for roughly every 1,500 to 2,000 square feet to get good coverage. Now recognize if you have a 3,000 square foot home, you may need two antennas, but that's not going to include the front porch, the back porch, the pool, the garage, the side yard. Those are all additional antennas that will be needed to feed that. Okay, we'll actually put a link right down here to Ruckus. Ruckus is our preferred provider. We've been doing Ruckus for years and years and years. We actually give a no questions 30-day install warranty. If we install Ruckus in your home and you are not happy with it, we will not only refund you the hardware, we will also refund you the labor of install. That's how confident we are in it. The stuff is unbelievable. As many of clients have said, they love it because it just works. Okay? So again, quick recap. 2.4, great, stable, works good. Bad if you're in high density. Bad if you have a high incoming network speed. 5.8, awesome, faster, new frequency, some great features that come with it, but the biggest one is speed. You can just go faster. It's not as crowded, some other things, but really it's that we can go faster. Problem is, it's not going to go as far. So if you're in a larger property, you're going to need multiple antennas. Okay, that's your tech tip for today. Network speed, any questions, comments, let us know down below. Otherwise, have a great Tuesday.